Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your Outlook calendar and remove all those old meetings, appointments, and events that have been piling up. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to load all your emails and data so everything is synced and ready to work with. Once your email has loaded, it's time to access your calendar. Navigate to the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see 4 different icons. Look for the calendar icon among these options as this is your calendar menu. Click on it to proceed to the calendar view. Now that your calendar menu has opened, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for and click on the View tab. This tab contains various options for how you can display your calendar information. Under the View tab, click on the Change View drop-down menu. From the options that appear, click on List. This view is particularly useful for cleaning up because it presents all your calendar entries in one organized list format rather than the traditional calendar grid. You'll now see all your calendar inputs displayed together, including meetings, appointments, and holidays, making it much easier to manage everything at once. Now here's where the actual cleanup happens. To quickly select all of these entries, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will highlight every single calendar entry in your list. Once everything is selected, press the Delete key to remove them all. And just like that, you've cleared out your entire Outlook calendar, giving you a fresh start. So there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your Outlook calendar and removed all those cluttered entries. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.